My dimensions kit is missing a color of floss. I'm Michelle, this is my romantic tangle, and this is an unfortunate first for me. I have been happily stitching away on Hang On Kitty, one of the dimensions kits I got for Christmas. I'm working on the branch here. Color J, which is what I need, is 15375, light yellow. I have been over my floss organizer over and over and over, and there is no 15375. What would you do? I'm having too much fun stitching to put the project aside and send a message to the company and hope they get back to me. I went and I looked at some of the online floss conversions for light yellow. Well, there's no light yellow coming up. The closest I could find to 15375 was a shade of brown. There is a color here on the card, 15372. It looks like light yellow. It's not used anywhere else in the chart. And if I look at the picture, doesn't that look like light yellow to you? So I'm going to stitch it in light yellow because I don't want to pause my project long enough to fight with this too much. And in the scheme of things with the colors in this chart, I don't think it'll have a negative effect on the outcome if I'm a color off. But it really surprised me with all the dimensions kits I've done, especially with these organizers. I've never had that happen before. Has it happened to you? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and I'm going to go finish stitching these branches.